In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Constant Contact with Wix. We will do this directly from your Wix dashboard, using the built-in marketing integrations. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to your Constant Contact account, because Wix will ask you to authorize the connection during setup. Start by opening your Wix dashboard for the site you want to connect. Once you are in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Marketing and SEO. This area contains tools for promoting your site, collecting leads, and connecting third-party marketing services. In the Marketing and SEO section, select Marketing Integrations from the submenu. This will open a page with different integration options. Take a moment to let the page load fully, then look on the main screen for the Constant Contact card. When you find it, click the Connect button on that card. A pop-up window will appear. In the top right corner of that pop-up, click Install App. Wix will then show you the permissions the app needs in order to work properly. This usually includes access required to sync your contacts and send subscriber information to your email list. To continue, select Allow and Install. Next, you will be taken to the Constant Contact login screen. Enter your Constant Contact username in the login field, then enter your password in the password field and click Login. For a smoother setup, it helps to use the same browser where you normally access both accounts and to pause any pop-up blockers that could interfere with the authorization window. After you sign in, you will see an authorization prompt asking you to allow Wix to connect with Constant Contact. Select Allow to approve the connection. Once authorized, Wix will ask you to choose a mailing list from a drop-down menu. This is the list where your Wix contacts will sync. So select the list that matches how you want to organize new subscribers from your website. After you choose the correct mailing list, click Save in the bottom right corner to confirm your settings. At this point, Constant Contact is connected to Wix, and your selected list is set for syncing. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.